Hey y'all, what's the deal? What's the deal? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Yaya Bradford for those who may not know who I am. In today's video, we are going over another live trade. Per usual, I feel like these are the only videos I'm able to make just based off of my schedule that I live right now. Like I'm a mom. I still have my job, I have a love life. Yeah, life is doing absolutely fantastic for me actually. But I still want to make time for you guys. So as y'all can see, like I'm currently inside of a trade right now, and I took this trade earlier. I think I took it prior to 9 o'clock. I got in this trade around this candlestick right here, like 8:55 ish. The reason why I got inside of this trade is because I was looking at the 30-minute time frame, and y'all can see that I had marked up this candle, this support level here. This 30-minute candle created a support, and then this candle after it gave so much bullish momentum, it broke above this wick, and then the momentum it was given, it was just like it was breaking through here. It ended up closing down here, but it started breaking above this resistance level here. So it was giving me like confidence to let me know that price wants to continue to push up. And then also I was looking left, and I seen that price had a big gap on a 30-minute time frame over here. Like this whole area still needed to be filled. It still does need to be filled based off of where price is currently at right now. I have it marked up here because at the bottom of this wick, this is the area where this candlestick needs to be filled. Okay, so that's why I have that marked up there. And then on a 5-minute time frame, my entry point was at that specific level based off of the support that it was given on a 5-minute time frame. As y'all can see, I had marked it up as well. This bearish candlestick was followed by a bullish candlestick. So I don't know which candle I entered on. It probably was this one or this one. I'm not sure, but it was one of those two. And I entered because I seen that this bearish candlestick was followed by a bullish candlestick. And then this candlestick was more engulfing than this candlestick. I hope that makes sense. But I don't know if price wants to pull back at market open, but if it does, I am okay with it because I moved stops at break even. So even if it does pull back down, I'll be cool with the break even trade. But if I wanted to, I can mark this up as a support level here, and I can move my stops below this level. However, I don't want to because I know that price could possibly just wick down and then continue to push up. We don't know. So I just want to pay attention to what market structure shows me. And my target area is all the way up here. Obviously that. And then I said I was going to add on more contracts once I see the volume inside of the market. But we just don't know. We don't know yet. So it's 9:24. We got like 6 more minutes, 5 more minutes until market open. So I'll see you guys in a minute. So I decided to press play. It's 9:29, and y'all can see that on a 5-minute price is already pulling back. Okay, so it's a possibility that it could go. Actually, I don't want to close it, but yeah, it's gonna break even. It's gonna close out. So I'm gonna close out with 15 in profit. So I'm gonna close out with 15 in profit. And then if price ends up respecting this level, then I will dang, I could have held my trade because this show didn't take, like, I entered. Remember I told y'all I entered? No, I didn't. Look, boom. Price is breaking structure like a mother sucker. All right. So it's 9:30, y'all. So let's see what price wants to do. Now, if price wants to create some type of support, or if it wants to break these levels of support, then we'll see what it does. I still want to see bullish momentum. So if price ends up breaking back above this level, then I'll enter for buys. But if it breaks this level of support, then I'll enter for sales based off of market structure. So it looks like it wants to push up. So let's buy. And we're going to take our profit around this area here. Price would have taken me out of this trade though, because I think I entered around this level here and I put my stops at break even. So it literally would have just like tapped into my trade and taken me out of it, and then went in my direction overall. Look like it wants to continue to drop. Let's see what it does. Look like price. Okay, it's holding structure. This is a 5-minute. I want to see how this candlestick closed, and then based off of how the candlestick closed, then I'll know if I can hold this trade or close it out. Look like I may have to close. Yeah, I'm gonna close with a loss, and then once price starts to break this low, then I'll enter for sales. So I'm gonna enter now for this sell based off of my cheat sheet that I got going on over here, and I am gonna take profit around. I'm gonna add on because I see the momentum is kicking in. I'm gonna add on 3 more lots, 3 more contracts. I'm sorry, and I'm gonna take my profits here. Profits are being taken at this structured level on a 5-minute time frame here, and I am going to hold and not touch the trade for the rest of until it's profit. The momentum is going crazy. I'm like, gotta make decisions super quick, bro. Like, I gotta be quick on my feet today. It's moving. So on a 5-minute time frame, we can see price is creating this structured level here. So following the candlestick that's created next to this bullish candlestick will determine if we are able to hold this trade for sales or close it. It looks like it wants to continue to push down. So we actually, once price continue to push down, we can sell for 2 more contracts. And I'm going to enter for this sell. Guess it won't let me. Okay, so it let me. I'm confident that price will continue to push down. So if it does pull back into drawdown, it's fine. Price is literally flying past where I needed to go. I'm gonna close out. I do want to close out. So if it breaks that level, then I'm definitely closing out. If it breaks that level, then I'm closing out. That's a big ass candlestick. We got 3 minutes until it closes. I really want to see where this candle close. I do feel like it does wants to continue to push up. Look at that. Yeah, it wants to continue to push up. My loss is taken. I'm taking that loss, and then I'm entering for buys. I am going to go literally 10 more lots just based off of the confirmation of this candlestick that is giving me, and I am not touching this trade. I'm letting this trade play out, and I'm not touching it. And I'm going to take my profits up here. So I'm going to enter for 2 more. Based off the confirmation, because I know that price wants to continue to push up. I was wrong about the sell. That was a counter trend trade anyway. I was expecting price to push all the way down to the 5-minute low, which was around this area here. But this candlestick just gave me extra confirmation. Price is already in the bullish trending market, and I was trying to take a counter trend trade. So I was just wrong about how far the sell would go, but overall the trend is bullish, and I know that it has to fill that 30-minute gap that I was showing you guys, and the gap is all the way up here. So I'm gonna hold on to this trade and I'm gonna let it play out. I did just take a loss, which is cool because I'll make it back with this trade. But I'm gonna let this trade play out and then see y'all in a minute. Do y'all do y'all see what just happened? Do y'all see what just happened? That's crazy work. That is crazy work. You know what? But I ain't tripping though. Cause you wanna know why? Cause we ain't lose no money. We ain't lose no money. We did not lose no money. All right. So we ain't even gonna make no big deal out of it. We ain't gonna make no big deal out of it. What I'm about to do is I'm gonna take one more trade. I'm gonna wait for a price to give me some type of support on this 5 minute. And then once it gives me that, then I'm gonna take another buy. All right. And that's gonna be that. And then I'm taking my profits. This is why I typically don't like to use a freaking stop loss, because it does take me out of my potential long trade that I could have had. Could have having. So I am going to wait. I'm trying to wait. Give me a second. I need to make a decision. So let's see where this 5 minute candlestick closed. Based off of, we got a minute and 45 seconds left for it to close, and that will give us indication on what it wants to do. Because look, I'm looking at the 1 minute as well too, y'all. So if y'all trying to see what's going on over here, this 1 minute is breaking structure as well. So I'm kind of certain that it wants to pull back now. But I'm not quite sure. All right, I'm gonna take a sell. We're gonna go with 10. I'm gonna take profit at initial profit that was down there. I'm lying. I'm gonna take my profit at this first structure level because I don't know what price want to do. Price could just pull back a little bit and then change his mind. We don't know. So I'm gonna take my profit at this level and then I'm gonna call it a day. That's what we doing. I'm washing my hands with this trade. I'm done. Done, son. All right, y'all. So I moved my initial profit target because I do see the momentum that it has, and it wants to break this level. Based off my cheat sheet that I got going on over here, I do feel like price wants to continue to drop, so I am holding this trade a little bit longer. So. All right, y'all. So as y'all can see, the volume has kicked in, and I'm quite sure that price will continue down to this level, but I'm okay with my profits for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the live trade because I definitely took some L's today. I took an L, but we recovered, and That is how you freaking trade. If you want to give your trade multiple chances, baby, that's how you supposed to do it. All right? All right, baby. So I'll see y'all tomorrow. Peace.